sand them down. That's how you get it smooth. Exactly what we're gonna do with this truck. Once it is done, just big toy. Anyways, I'll let that sit and we'll get my sand in as well. Everything's all painted. I'll let it dry, and then tomorrow we'll come back to the body shop and pick the bed up, get it loaded up, get it back to our shop, and then next weekend we'll paint the cab, and then we can start putting the project truck back together, and we'll see where it goes, see how hard it is to get some parts. I should be able to get most of the parts for that truck pretty easy though. There we are, we're going back to pick up the truck after got it painted, load it up, get it back to our shop so that we can start getting it wheeled out, go back together. Hopefully some stuff will start coming in. We're still waiting on a few parts. We're waiting on something like that. Waiting on bumper. Well, we got the bumper, but we're waiting on our mirrors, taillights, headlights, paintable door handles, all that stuff. Because I mean that's the goal, to make this truck red, everything color matching. She's sitting outside, and there she is. Big beautiful beast. For my first paint job. Tell me what you think in the comments right now. We'll get out and get a closer look at her, but looks good to me. I'll probably do an Instagram pic that way. And if you don't follow me on Instagram, it's the same thing, modern.muscle365. And I usually post a lot of stuff on there, pictures, what's going on, keep up with that social media more. I mean, we plan on keeping up with YouTube a whole lot more. Yeah, she looks beautiful. Just take a minute, right in the sun too, so there's no hiding it there. There's a little dirt in the paint, but nothing major we're gonna wheel down. We got some clean up there and do. Good. First, let's get the ramps all unloaded. We borrowed our tilt top trailer. We're using this trailer. Up, strap down and back to the shop. Man, good. Go right in now. Me, reflection. Gotta clean the wheels up. Yeah, I'll get the thing molded up, put up here. There we go. This is Project Shorty right here. Get her back to the shop. Get her back. That way we can start getting that thing back together. Pretty impressed. For our first paint job ever. I mean, thing looks good. Have to see it in person. Which will be a drag strip near you somewhere with it somewhere. Depends how long we keep it around. She's definitely a beauty, as you can see in the mirror. Anyways, we'll get her back to the shop and we'll end this video there. Hopefully some parts will start coming in here soon. We didn't get much else to do while we're waiting on the GT500 and the C8. Back to the shop here, get her unloaded, get her in the garage. here is gonna be what she is. This box up here, it's already been done. And then we got the hood over on the other side with the all the stored over there with the dyno right now. But we're going to get the interior done, do some little trinkets, thinking about trying to increment some carbon fiber stuff into it, and yeah, I don't know. Pretty pumped though. First paint job, like I said, gonna wheel it out on top of this, so it'll even look better yet, which it doesn't really actually have much orange peel to it. So, you know, next video will be starting to put this thing together, and wait till we get all the other parts. Got all the tail lights and headlights ordered, all blacked out. I think what else I'm missing. And like I said, yeah, we're probably looking like we're probably gonna do a twin turbo on this once we get it all set up and going. Which, I mean, this project just been something just to do. Really doing a lot of practice for this, so that way when we do the charger, which is sitting over here nice and lonely, which I'm gonna do a video on that again pretty soon, and which way we're 100% going, because our mind is made up. Don't change it anymore. But anyways, if you like Chevy trucks, got your Demon content, Trans Am, Cutlass, Knight Rider, generally anything, just give this video a big thumbs up. Please like, please subscribe, and we'll see you next video.